In the quiet hum of a bustling city, amidst the steady rhythm of digital life, we find ourselves at an intriguing crossroads. The air is charged with a palpable sense of both excitement and unease as one question looms large: will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? This isn't just a future scenario, it's something that's happening right now, slowly but surely altering the landscape of work. Imagine this: you wake up in your smart home. The lights dim to greet you with an anticipatory hum. Your coffee machine whirs into action as the morning sun begins its ascent. As you brush past your digital assistant, she already knows what playlist will lift your spirits because it's been learning from your every move and mood over the years. But this isn't just about making our lives more convenient. AI is now stepping into industries that have long seemed impervious to automation. From manufacturing floors humming with robotic precision to hospitals where diagnostic tools are as much a part of the routine as human hands, we see signs everywhere that machines aren't just here, they're transforming the very fabric of work. Consider the story of a factory worker named Sarah, who once held steady in her role assembling components by hand. Now, she oversees an array of robots working tirelessly beside her. The difference? Efficiency has skyrocketed, quality is unparalleled. But what about Sarah's job security and personal satisfaction? Or take Dr. Michael, whose life was dedicated to diagnosing patients based on traditional practices. Enter AI systems that can analyze vast amounts of medical data with lightning speed, offering diagnoses that are not only faster but often more accurate than human professionals. While this brings new hope for better healthcare outcomes, it also raises questions about the role doctors will play in future. These stories hint at a broader shift. As technology advances, we find ourselves contemplating our own survival and evolution within a world where AI is no longer just an assistant, it's becoming an integral part of how work gets done. This isn't in the quiet hum of a bustling city street, the sound of footsteps echoes softly. The sun is setting on another day in this world where technology has advanced at an unprecedented pace. Today, we find ourselves standing at a crossroads, a place where the future seems both promising and uncertain. This documentary delves into one of humanity's most pressing questions: will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? Imagine stepping inside a factory floor once filled with human workers. Now, it is largely empty, only machines hum quietly in the background. These robots are not just taking over repetitive tasks, they're learning to perform complex operations that were once considered uniquely human. It's a stark illustration of how AI has become an integral part of modern industry. But what does this mean for us? As we look around, it's hard not to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. Excitement because technology is transforming our world in ways we could have only dreamed about just decades ago. Apprehension because the idea that AI might replace all jobs brings with it a sense of existential uncertainty. To truly understand this, let's take a step back and consider where we are now. In 2018, a report by McKinsey Global Institute estimated that up to 375 million workers could be displaced globally due to automation by 2030. That's more than the entire population of Canada. But it's not just about jobs, it's also about what happens when millions of people suddenly find their livelihood